Check it out, guys. Yet again, I have two brand new trucks in here in the shop. When it comes to brand new vehicles, I get the common question of why does it need so much prep work if it's a brand new vehicle? Why can't you just apply a ceramic coating? Well, this vehicle right here is a perfect example, an extreme example, but a good representation of the possible condition your paint is gonna come in from the dealership. Now again, this is an extreme example. This truck's been sitting on a lot for 8 months. This paint is super contaminated. You can hear that probably through the mic of how rough this surface is. You move over to this panel here and it's smooth. We need to get the paint fully decontaminated. So my process includes a full exterior detail and 2 stages of decon. That will be the chemical decontamination and the clay process. If you do not remove these contaminants from the surface, the ceramic coating is not going to bond. In addition, that polishing stage that is included is just going to become messy. So I include thorough prep as part of my ceramic coating process to ensure great results and to actually make sure that your new vehicle is thoroughly prepped and ready to go. I'm going to continue on with this truck. I got a lot of work to do. If you guys have any questions about my service, feel free to reach out, phone, email, or stop in for a consult.